Hello, I'm Val. This is Uptown Swing, solo Charleston. We did so many kicks today. And we started with these little drills where you just do hopsies, 1-8, for 4-8, for whatever. And that's something that always needs to be underneath your kicks. So then when you bring your kicks back, you have that little staccato underneath. Single kicks or double kicks or quadruple kicks. So we pretty much just played with that. We also did like some directional kicks, forward, side, back, forward. So it's also a really fun drill, and also important to differentiate that from kicks when you are turning, and kicks are just underneath and in front of you. Then we did a bunch of little routinettes where it's essentially single kicks, double kicks, quadruple kicks. So like that, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Around the world. Boom. Single kicks again. Then we also did airplanes. You can build it up by going rock step. And then it's a kick and kick. Kick and kick. Kick and kick. So we could do 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around the world, kick forward, turn back, kick forward, turn back. We practice that a bunch. Now, Charleston. So we did basic Charleston, rock step, keep turning, slide, or rock step, slide. So these are all stackable. And that's what we did, and I'm out of breath. Yay, yay, da, da, da.